Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's nail art video, I've got some really cute little winter characters that I did with some reverse stamping on top of a really beautiful unicorn chrome powder. So let's go ahead and get on into the tutorial. So I'm going to start off with 2 coats of this really pretty periwinkle blue from Glisten & Glow called Mother Sky. And then for this design, I'm using chrome powders, but I'm not going to be using gels. So what I'm going to use instead is Auror's Bonder Base, which is like a sticky base coat. And this is going to help the chrome powder stick to my nail. The powder that I'm going to be using today is from What's Up Nails called Aurora Pigment, and this is a rainbow chrome powder. So I'm only going to be using a very little amount, so this powder goes a long way, and I'm going to use an eyeshadow applicator and kind of buff that powder all over my nail. I feel like the base polish still shows through pretty well, and that powder just gives it a really cool iridescent finish to it, so I'd be really interested to see what this powder looks like over other colors. And because I'm not using gels in this design, I'm going to use a water-based polish, and this one is UNT's Ready for Takeoff Base Coat, directly on top of the powder so that I don't wreck the finish. And then I'm going to seal all of that in with a regular fast drying glossy top coat. For the stamping part of this design, I'm going to use What's Up Nails B065 Winter Flurryland stamping plate and What's Up Nails Noir, which is a black stamping polish. I stamped the bunny, the reindeer, and the fox with the black stamping polish, and then I colored them in with a bunch of different polishes and a detail brush. I stamped the fox on my index nail, the bunny on my middle nail, and the reindeer on my pinky nail. And on my ring fingernail, I stamped this little saying that says "Not made for winter" with the black stamping polish. And to finish off this design, I'm applying 1 coat of a fast drying top coat to all of my nails. So here is the finished design, and out of all my nails, I think the bunny one is my favorite. I really like these little character images from What's Up Nails plates, and I did kind of a similar design but a farm themed with the B061 stamping plate, which I will leave a link to that video above and down below in the description box. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up down below. And if you recreate this design, I would love to see it, so be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. But anyways, I will see you guys next time. Bye!